Do you or a loved one struggle with snoring? Here are some natural remedies to help you sleep soundly. First, changing your sleep position to your side can reduce snoring. Maintaining a healthy weight and avoiding alcohol before bed are also effective. Establish a regular sleep pattern and stay hydrated. You can use nasal strips and a humidifier to keep airways clear. Exercise regularly to strengthen throat muscles. Essential oils like peppermint, eucalyptus, lavender, thyme, marjoram, and cedarwood can also help. Use them in a diffuser, steam inhalation, or apply them topically with a carrier oil. Sleep better naturally and wake up refreshed.